Hi, this is Asin. Today I would like to share how to simplify this radical. So to simplify this, we have to first check the coefficient of the square root. So let's say this is not 2, then we have to perform some calculation. Means that we have to take the number in excess of 2 times the one that inside. Then it's already 2, so we move to the second step. Then we have to think a way to split this number so that the multiplication of the two numbers is equal to 2. So we know that 3 is actually equivalent to 2 plus 1. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So we are on the correct path. So what we have to do next is rearrange. Make sure the number in front is greater than the number behind. Because square root any number, we should have positive number. And this is equivalent to, I take square of the square root 2 minus plus the square of square root 1. So as we can see here, this is actually having the pattern of a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is actually the pattern of this. So meaning to say we can reduce to this form. So we have square root of square root 2 minus square root 1, the whole thing square. Okay, as we can see here, the pattern A, B, A, B, A, B. So this is this one. So square root 2 times square root 1, we will obtain square root 2. So A square, square root 2 square, we will have square root 2 here, then minus square root 1 here. So this is equivalent to, we simplify square root and square. So we end up with square root 2 minus square root 1, which is equivalent to square root 2 minus 1. This is why the number in front must be bigger than the number behind. Because square root any number must be positive. We have to make sure the answer is positive. So we put the bigger number in front and the smaller number behind. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you!